downtown. Our team is the Krusty Krabs, and we're all little girls. So our team is under the. Wait, did you start ugly? Shut up. So our team is under the sea, and we did aerial under the sea. Yeah. So we put rocks in it.
Oh wow, that looks beautiful.
An octopus and some fishies in the back. And you know that the rock is supposed to go to the water. Yeah. She's stopping it. It's never in this.
Wow.
Yeah, no. They want to present it to rated. And the way yeah. We also put a lot of mushrooms and then like but yeah, what is the inside? What is the deal? What did you guys? I put a song out. So that a bridge for the beautiful. This is a 10-year bird. Looks like it's actually exploding. Where I am. Well, that's awesome. And I like how you guys outside have the trees and the feathers that got caught. I just got it, but I did button it.
Okay, this is so creative. Oh my gosh.
So if the judge want to take a good look, he's a beautiful loaf. Yeah, but I must see that. Love the guy. My man is inside the doors. You're going to see it. Yeah, it's Alina, look at that. Yeah. It's so sick. Other guys. And it's one clean wall. I made a beat scene. Nice. I actually only have 2 or 3 resources depending on how to use it. I use 2 different colors of clay, and I dabbed it with some moss to make some great beautiful. Good job. I appreciate the simplicity. Yeah. So if you guys want to take that closer to the other, get it in. That works to see it. It's nothing a little. I like that. The way it. Though some flexing on the ocean, right? Yeah. I'm gonna be honest, Mom's actually a much uglier color for the ocean, and just the mirror makes it look way less good. Yeah.
Very cool.
Wait, I'll wait for it. Oh my gosh, is that your cat? She found it online too. That is so
Wow.
That is so cool. Yeah, ready to the one. My man is inside the doors. You're going to see it. Yeah, it's Alina, look at that. Yeah.